Team, how are you today? This is Carlos Estrada with the Ultimate Millionaire Playbook. Hey guys, today this is video 5 of the video challenge. Now, we're talking about something that helped me out or helped me change my mindset, somebody that influenced me or something that influenced me to get to what I am today. So I started being in a career with military and also real estate. I started doing real estate investment a little while ago and I stopped. But a couple years ago, I started all over again, and it's a passion of mine. I let things stop my passion for what I really wanted to do. So one of the main things is, the first thing that I know that sparked my interest in real estate was the game Monopoly. It's funny enough. You get the little houses and you compile this house and you're able to get the hotel or the big building. I mean, same thing. There's a game out there, and you guys probably heard of it, that actually is derived from the book Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. The name of the game is what's it called? The Cashflow Classic. The Cashflow actually is almost like Monopoly, but at the same time, it teaches you strategies in investing. And one of the things that they said, look, you could get your family involved and start teaching kids finances. Because let's face it, school doesn't teach you how to manage your money. That's something that you later on have to learn on your own, not even college. What do you think so many college kids get credit cards and they spend money that they don't have? And then who has to pay for that? Parents. So I was fortunate enough that I never had to do that. I took a different path. I never wanted to be a burden on my family. But those games kind of switch or shifted my thinking in which, hey, I want to be something different. I want to do things different. I was able to actually see in the future and not see in the future. I can see the future. But I was able to see people that were ahead of me, and I said, look, I don't want to end up like them. What did they do or what decisions they took at the age that I was in that got them there? Now, all the people that were successful, what did they do? Or what decisions did they take that got them to where they are? Well, you know what? I think that was one of those things that this game kind of helped me out. I remember I was young, a couple years first into the military. I was already living by myself. Me and my girl, the girlfriend that I had at the time, invited a couple friends, and we had like a wine party. But we played this game. I used to live in this little basement. I'm kind of ashamed to say right now, but this basement has so many roaches everywhere. So every time somebody will come out, you like try to hide things, try to cover things. It was just crazy. You know what? Now that I think about it, look back, I said, man, I don't know how I did it, but I did it. But anyway, that's another experience that takes you to where you are right now and helps you become a different person. The experience that I did, the evaluated experiences. But I remember we used to have these parties, get-togethers. We used to drink wine and play this game and learn from each other, And a lot of times, and I remember out of one of those parties, I was able to create a relationship with a guy that we later on became business partners into a venture. So, hey, you never know where things take you, but I know that this games and that book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, helped me shift the thinking into becoming an investor, into trying to do something different other than working for a regular company, working for a 9-to-5 job. But hey guys, that's just my experience. I just want to share it with you guys. I appreciate you guys hearing me or listening to me today. Again, like always, I'm Carlos Estrada with the Ultimate Millionaire Playbook. Please comment below. Let me know what you guys think about the video. Anything that you guys want to come back that you want me to reply to. And yeah, I will reply to all comments, but I appreciate you guys listening. Also, I will upload this to YouTube. So what I like for you guys to do is, hey, go down, click on the bell icon so you'll be notified anytime that I put a new video out. Also, subscribe to the channel. Comment, let me know what you guys think. Let me know any subject that you guys want me to touch and want me to talk about. Hey, until the next time, like I said, Carlos Estrada with the Ultimate Millionaire Playbook. Hey guys, I see you all at the top.